Actually, how those K-pop idols always get the special hair color. 안녕하세요. Hey, what's up everyone? It's ISSAC here. Welcome back. Hey guys, I was do the big change by myself. So today's videos, I would like to show you how to dye your hair like idols, also the tips. Alright, let's go!
How to get crazy color.
First, you need to lighten your dark hair. For example, if your natural hair color is black or brown color, so you need to bleach your hair to the blonde color. Then you can get a crazy hair color. Just like you can't draw any color on the black paper. Let's go to Bleach. Bleach, yeah. Oh, Bleach. We go to Bleach. Now you can see my ends is really blonde because I was bleached my hair 2 months ago. Also, the hair regrowth is really dark. It looks really dirty. 哇，佢以為自己好有型啊！ Now we go to shampoo and don't use the conditioner. After the blow dry, we go to the final step. Now we go to get the crazy color. Yeah! Hey man, you can be better, trust me. Actually, you can get the idols here too, so what are you waiting for? Hey, if you like these videos, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, and you will never miss my new videos. And I will really happy to see you guys on my Instagram at ISSAC YIU. Alright, so see you guys on my next videos. Peace. 오, 이거 남자 잘생겼다. 와, 마미呢個明星嚟㗎。
佢就哇睇咗冇喎。
冇啊，冇睇啊。 出嚟咗。
係，咁咪真係冇咯。